We're also doing transplant the middle third of the eyebrow. So the lateral third is not going to be touched. Anteriorly, as you see, about 15 follicles, just to get the angulation correct. So the orientation of these follicles in the eyebrow are different in different areas. It's very essential that when you do the transplant, it's put in the same angulation as the hair follicle nearby. So right now you see it's all inclined more laterally, but it was inclined more superiorly medially, and also was inclined more inferiorly in some aspects. So whatever is the inclination of the origin of the hair, the same angulation needs to be followed to try and give a more natural look to the eyebrow. When we do a mustache, it's okay to trim the mustache, but it's not okay to trim the remaining eyebrow because it would take many months to grow back on. And you can see those blue dots, and the plan is to transplant only between the blue dots. Some dabbing. Just dab. Dab மட்டும் பண்ணுங்களா? Yeah, okay. Maybe some more laterally. We'll have a roll laterally. Yes.
Dots.